Switchblade from Crescent. The multi-function tool that takes on big jobs. Switchblade features 3 interchangeable blades designed to take on cutting jobs that normally require individual dedicated tools, all in one quick connect system. Simply release the dual locking pins, change the blade, lock back in place, and you're ready to go. Unlike most multi-function tools, Switchblade is heavy-duty tough. A compound action design gives you more power with less effort, making it equally useful in the home, garage, or yard. The multi-purpose blade makes light work of plastic, vinyl, cardboard, and more. Even tough materials like shingles can be cut with ease. Serrated blades provide extra gripping power during cuts. Through holes bend wire with a twist of the wrist. An integrated wire cutter is perfect for thinner gauge wire. And there's even a built-in bottle opener. For heavier wire, switch to the cable cutting blade and make quick work of wire and cable. The metal cutting blade tackles heavier materials like sheet metal, ducting, and gutters. Rugged handles feature dual material grips to provide added comfort and help prevent slipping. An easy-to-use latch locks the blades closed, and the integrated hanger allows for fast storage. A durable nylon pouch keeps everything organized and ready for action. And just as you would expect from Crescent, Switchblade is built to last with a black oxide finish that prevents rust and corrosion. Now including bonus pliers. Switchblade from Crescent. Innovation then and now.